Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make red pesto pasta. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need about 8 ounces of your favorite pasta, like penne or fusilli, and approximately 6 tablespoons of a good quality red pesto. We'll also use some fresh basil, a couple of garlic cloves, and a sprinkle of grated Parmesan cheese to elevate the flavors. Don't forget a little olive oil and seasoning. Now let's prepare our delicious red pesto sauce. If you're making it from scratch, combine sun-dried tomatoes, roasted red peppers, and a couple of garlic cloves in a food processor. Add fresh basil, a generous amount of Parmesan cheese, and about 1/4 cup of olive oil, then blend until smooth. If using store-bought, simply warm it gently in a pan to release its aromas. Next, it's time to cook our pasta to perfection. Grab a large pot and bring about 4 quarts of generously salted water to a rolling boil. Add your 8 ounces of pasta and cook it according to the package instructions until it's perfectly al dente, meaning it still has a slight bite. Remember to reserve about 1/2 cup of that starchy pasta water before you drain it. Finally, let's bring everything together for a truly satisfying meal. Drain your cooked pasta and return it to the warm pot. Now, add your prepared red pesto sauce. Stir it thoroughly, and if you want a creamier consistency, gradually add some of that reserved pasta water until it's just right. Serve immediately, garnished with fresh basil and extra grated Parmesan cheese.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.